Hi guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated when I make a new upload. Please do follow me on Instagram for different types of posting cars. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Honda City and the Hyundai Verna. So I'll show you exhaust comparison of both. So let's start. So now let's go into the Honda City. So, which car do you think sounds more better? This is the Hyundai Verna or the Honda City? Well, these both are the C segment rivals, and both have a good, loud and good powerful engine. Like it has a 1.6 liter, 123 horsepower, and this car has a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated 119 horsepower. So let me know in the comment section below which sounds better. Thank you so much.